Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create flash effect using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to create new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based, and I'm just going to click on save. And you can add a video you want to edit using VN Video Editor. For example, I'm going to add a video from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. Okay, wait. For example, I'm going to choose this video and also this one, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and now the video has been imported to my project, and I'm going to add flash effect to this video. Wait, I'm going to split my video like this. Alright, and this video as well. And then we're going to click on this plus icon to add flash transition. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the light effect. Okay, and then you can customize the duration here. You can make it longer or shorter, and for me I'm just going to make it longer like this. And then if you want to apply this effect to all your clips, you can click on apply to all. Okay, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, and wait, I think I need to change the duration. I'm going to make it shorter. Okay, and I'm going to try another light effect to this video. Wait, I'm going to select the maze. Wait guys, I'm going to choose glitch. Okay, this one is good, or you can choose another light effect for your video, but I better this one. Better you can choose this one, the light effect, to create the flash effect for your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create flash effect on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.